Hello friends, hope you're good. And today I have a very beautiful idea of totems that is made of wood. And today we're going to see what kind of these totems are and how can we use them. So wooden totems are beautiful and unique addition to any home or garden. These totems are typically carved from a single piece of wood, often a type of hardwood such as cedar or redwood. They can be found in variety of sizes and styles, from small tabletop sculptures to towering structures that can be used to adorn large outdoor spaces. One of the most popular uses for wooden totems is an decorative element in the garden. These sculptures can be used to mark the entrance to a garden, to define a specific area, or simply as a striking focal point. They can be carved with intricate designs or left relatively simple depending on the desired effect. In addition to their decorative value, wooden totems can also have a symbolic significance. Some totems are designed to represent specific animals or cultural icons, while others may be more abstract in nature. In many Native American culture, for example, totems are believed to represent spiritual or central connections and are often used in healing ceremonies or other rituals. When selecting a wooden totem for your home or garden, it is important to consider both the size and style of the sculpture. A small totem may be ideal for a tabletop or indoor display, while a large totem can make a dam- uh, dramatic statement in an outdoor space. Additionally, you may want to look for a totem that reflects your personal tastes and interests, whether that means choosing a design that is whimsical, elegant, or deeply symbolic. Overall, wooden totems are beautiful and meaningful addition to any home or garden, whether used for decoration, symbolism, or both. These sculptures offer a unique and timeless beauty that is sure to be appreciated for generations to come. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like this unique idea of decoration in the home and outdoor backyard garden. Do like our channel or subscribe us and keep watching. Thank you.